Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 things to never do with your money. These are critical if you want to keep your money and make more money. So let's dive into the first item that you never want to do with your money, and that is to lose track of your money. You never want to lose track of your money. Has this ever happened to you where you get to the end of the month and you're like, where did all my money go? I have no idea. Or maybe you're not even at the end of the month and it's the middle of the month and you're saying, oh man, did I really spend that much already? So you never want to lose track of your money. And the way to fix this is to set up a spending plan. Some people like to call it a budget. I like to call it a spending plan because that's what it is, a plan for spending your money. And you can do this really easily. You can either do it on paper or set up a quick budget, a quick spreadsheet. And I even have a course on this. So if you're interested in that, I will drop the link to my course in the description. But it's really important that you track your finances. And just as a side note, millionaires, self-made millionaires, they track every penny that they're spending. That is how they become millionaires, because they're tracking what they're spending. They know how much is coming in and how much is going out. So you never want to lose track of your money. And then the second thing is to never spend or save your money without having a goal in mind. And this has happened to me before. So, I would save money, sure, in my savings account. But if I wanted to go shopping and buy a new dress or a new pair of shoes, then I would just spend my money. And, I realized that I wasn't having a really specific goal in mind for my money. So I was kind of just spending here and there. And I would have had a lot more money if I had been better at setting goals. And I have become a lot better at that now. But I really want to hone in on this because it's really important to set goals for your money. It really helps you focus in on what you want to be spending your money on and how much you're going to need in order to achieve goals, in order to achieve the things that you want to. So you want to set specific goals and you want them to be time bound. So if you want to buy a house one day, then you want to say, okay, I want to have a $20,000 down payment and I want that within the next 2 years. So it's very specific, it has a very specific amount, and you have a time frame with it. You know you want it within the next 2 years. So it's not just kind of some type of abstract idea, but it's a very specific goal. It's something that you're working towards. So when you're spending your money, you can think, oh, well, if I spend my money now, then I'm going to put my goal further out. I won't be able to take that vacation I want to take as soon as I want to take it. So it really helps to set goals around your money. So you never want to just be spending or saving without having a specific goal in mind. It really does help you focus in. And then the third thing is to spend unconsciously. You never want to spend your money unconsciously. And, I'm sure we've all done this. We'll stop at the gas station and buy a drink and get a couple packs of gum, or we'll go out to dessert with some friends and, buy some extra things, some extra food items, while we're there. And we're kind of just, not really being very conscious about what we're spending our money on. And if we were to do that, we can really start spending on things that match our priorities. And, we can actually become happier and live more fulfilled lives. Because I'm sure this has happened where you've spent so much money and you're like, oh, why did I buy that? I shouldn't have bought that. And you regret it later. But if we are being really conscious with our spending, then we don't have that regret later on, because we're making that conscious effort when we're spending the money to say, okay, is this something that's going to bring me lasting joy? Or is this just something that, I'm going to be tired of within a couple weeks? And when we start to ask that question to ourselves, is this going to bring me lasting joy? Then we, make that conscious effort of, yes, it will. I'm going to spend the money here. Or no, I would rather actually spend my money elsewhere. So we can really start to become more conscious of what we're spending our money on and become happier with our money choices. So these are the 3 things that you should never do with your money. So let's do a quick recap. We never want to lose track of our money, right? We don't want to come to the end of the month and say, oh, where's all my money? And the second thing we don't want to do is spend or save without a specific goal in mind, because we really want to have that focus. We want to know what we're working toward. And then the third thing we never want to do is spend unconsciously. Just, swipe that credit card without really thinking about it first. So hopefully these things help you with your money management. And if you liked this video, please like it and share it, and comment below and let me know if you're going to implement any of these things, or if you already have. I would love to hear that. And if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.